Hi there, my name is Jane and I am from Surface Anthology, surfaceanthology.com, and I am going to show you how to use gold leaf. So we're going to be gilding or leafing these little molds here, the little bow at the top and this frames mold. So what you're going to need is some gold leaf, and it comes in a little cardboard envelope like this. This is imitation gold leaf. It's called Dutch metal. There is real gold leaf. It's quite expensive, but when you're just starting out, this is really, really beautiful. The gold leaf comes in these books like this, and I can actually get rid of that tissue because I've already used these sheets. But the gold leaf comes in these really beautiful sheets. You're also going to need something called size. It's called gilding size. This is the adhesive that holds the gold leaf. So I'm going to pour some of that out in this little glass container that I have. You cannot use regular glue for this. It has to be size. You only need a little bit goes a very long way. And I'm going to use an artist brush, right? I just have a nice, soft, synthetic bristle artist brush to brush on the size everywhere I want the gold leaf to go. Okay, and it's important to know that everywhere you put this size, the gold leaf is going to stick to. So I'm gonna dip my brush in and I'm just gonna paint this on. And I'm not looking for a really 100% coverage effect. I'm just gonna put it on. It's really an accent. People are often intimidated by gold leafing. They hear it and they run for the hills. It's really, really easy, as you can see. And it just gives you the most beautiful effect. All right. I use this on little projects like you're seeing here, on furniture, frames. Of course, it's beautiful. Just gonna get this little inside bit. And now what you have to do is you have to wait for the size to come to tack, it's called. And what that means is when you touch this, right, it feels sticky and it doesn't come off on your finger, okay? If you, see there it is coming off of my finger, it's too soon. If you try to gild when it's really wet like this, you're gonna end up with a big mess. So I'm gonna push this along a little bit, move my gold leaf out of the way with my blow dryer. If you're not using a blow dryer, which I don't really recommend, it's good to kind of get to know how long it takes for the size to come to tack. And it's usually about 5 minutes, so it's really, really quick. So I'm just gonna double check. Yeah, feels good. All right, now for the fun part. So I'm gonna take my book of gold leaf, bring it to a page, and then I'm just gonna press this down on my design, trying to maximize the sheet so I don't have to use another sheet. All right. And here's a little piece. And I could just drop that down. And then I'm going to grab a larger natural bristle brush and just press the gold leaf down. Any little spots like this corner down here that didn't get leafed, I'll just move some gold leaf over to that. All right, and the same with our little key design. And if you miss an area that you really wanted it to get leafed, all you have to do is go back with your brush, touch up that area, let it come to tack, and add more gold leaf. All right. So there it is, super shiny. Let me show you, like this little area right here. I want to add just a little bit more gold to that. So I'm going to roll my brush. Let's get that on camera so you can see. Roll off the excess right on the edge. And I just put it on there, put my brush in water, and I'm just gonna let that come to tack real fast with my blow dryer. Now, if you want, you could save the scraps and use it, right? Even if they're all broken up, it works really, really well. That feels good. Grab a piece. All right. Lastly, the fun part, see how your leafing looks. And I'm going to bring my camera in just a little bit closer. I'm just going to brush away the excess now. This is always so satisfying. And you want to make sure you get all the loose bits off. But that's it. Look at how beautiful that is. And you can wax over this. You can seal it with poly sealers. Or you could just leave it like I'm going to do. It just gives the most beautiful, and I'm going to bring this out again so you can see the whole tag that I made. Isn't that beautiful? It just gives the most gorgeous accent. Leaves come in gold like this, silver, copper, variegated copper, pewter. It's just endless, the colors that it comes in. But look at how beautiful that is. It's super, super easy. Give it a try. Thanks again, you guys. My name is Jane, and my website is surfaceanthology.com. See you soon.